Hey guys, so we're going to be going over this question. So the question states, a cook is making meals for a party of guests. He must find out what meals he'll be cooking for each guest between pasta, pizza, and salad. When the user enters stop for the meal, the loop ends. Finally, you must display the total of each. Declare the scanner object and any other variables you need. So for this question, lines 9 through 17 is already taken care of for us. So num pasta, num pizza, and num salad is already declared and initialized to 0. So we just have to declare a scanner. So on line 19, we have scanner KB equals new scanner system.in. So that allows the user to input any data that we need. So to go about the next steps for the problem, we need to create a while loop. The format for a while loop is while the condition exists, and then your block statements that you want to repeat while the condition exists. So for this problem in line 21, we have while meal does not equal stop, so meaning that the condition is either pasta, pizza, or salad, the statement enter a meal is displayed. So then we want the user to enter in what meal they want. So right here we have meal equals kb.nextLine, which allows the user to enter a string. So they are allowed to enter either pasta, pizza, or salad. So now we move on to our if statements. In the question, it asks to keep track of each food item, pizza, pasta, or salad, that the guest enters. So we are going to use an increment operator. An increment operator increases your variable by one in each iteration. That the loop goes through. So in this case, in line 27, so we have our if meal equals pizza. So if the user enters pizza right here, we have num pizza plus plus. So this will increment the variable num pizza by 1, and it will store the value 1 for pizza. This is important. This is why it's important to initialize your variable when you declare them up at the top, which is why it is important to have, like right here, num pasta equals 0, num salad, num pizza equal to 0, so that you can keep track of your variables as you go on. After this if statement, we need an if else statement. So if the user enters pasta, we put if else meal equals pasta. We also want to increment the variable num pasta, and same for num salad. So it's the same formatting for pasta and salad. So after this if statement, and be sure to keep track of your brackets or the program won't run. So after that, we want to store, the question asks us to store each, it asks to, finally you must display the total of each variable. So we have our statements, num pizza, num pasta, and num salad, and plus our variables. So when we compile this and run it, okay, so enter a meal. So let's say I want pasta. It tells me that num pizza is 0, num pasta is 1 because I want pasta, and num salad is 0. So now I want pizza. So then num pizza is 1, num pasta is 1 from earlier, and num salad is 0. Let's say the user enters stop. It stops the loop, which is what we wanted, and now num pizza is 1, num pasta is 1, and num salad is 0. I hope I helped, and yeah.